Hey guys, Crypto Sniper, quick update on the Bitcoin. So here's where we're at. Had a nice day out, and in the meantime, we had the great melt up that went with, I suppose, the 20th. Today we're the 21st, so nice move up, and then you can start to see we're grinding. We made marginally higher highs. That's reason why we don't trade reversals. You could argue that was a head and shoulders, only it never triggered. It spat up and marginally higher high, and got into a very tight, rangy grinding. That's weak, marginally higher high there to there, which was marginally higher than that. And you can see we got grind lines which we eventually throw down. There's a bit absence, some scared money because it's gone up. You get a proper fall down, and I'd suggested that the move when we get a pullback would potentially be like this one that I've just drawn here with a line. I've taken a snapshot. In other words, the previous highs, which is the key levels that we stalled just before making the key round number of 6,000. So there's your key round number. So I just pull this a little bit down and draw some shapes for you. That's your key round number there. And every time we approach a key round number, we stop and check it out. Are we really going to be doing this? Are we really leaving 5 and starting with a 6, etc.? So this is the pause, and there's a typical area where we exhaust. We get a grind line and we exhaust. Very similar here to, you can see this grind line actually had a top to it as well. Whoops, we don't want that shape anymore. You can see it had a top to it in much the same way we were grinding there, like that. And then we break it to the downside. And in fact, in this instance, we fell away. But this has been quite a robust rejection of that. So we revisit what was previously resistance as support. So that rule of reverse polarity is still something that's pretty strong and I find works really well. And we get quite a strong rally. We get a strong return value all the way back up to there. So this is going to be continuation on balance of probabilities. It doesn't have to be. It could turn from here and smash all the way down. But on balance of probabilities, when you get such a robust bounce, it's gone the 76.8, well past the 61.8 of that little fib level, you're probably going to get continuation. We get a new piece of geometry here that'll be projected up. And of course, we have that other target that we're looking at that's over here. The main target. So any setup here is going to move us towards that level. So on balance, things are still under control here with Bitcoin, despite you've had that sell-off. We also had that sell-off over there. That was it was quite unexpected. We were initially looking at upside, but we probably missed that there was quite a bit of grinding going on there as well. So there needed to be a sell-off just to let some of that steam out. So we broke weak. That's quite in hindsight quite rising wedge like, and then we fell, we took out that low. So in the same way, that could happen here and you could pull back, but I am broadly the thing that keeps paying us is suspecting continuation and trading the continuation. That's a robust rejection after a sell-off, and we'll be looking for more upside there. So ideally, like here, I expected this to pull a little bit lower, but it formed a base, wasn't going to press much lower, and then the people pushed it up. We'll see if we get another high rising HVF here, in which case this line might be projected from a higher up point, or we may get a more traditional setup where we get a bit of a deeper dip here. But this is no longer easy HVF continuation if we break this line. In other words, the previous resistance now turns support. So that's my take. So still fairly bullish for Bitcoin and trucking on. So let's see how it goes, and speak to you all soon, and hope you enjoyed the update.